Saint-Gobain Performance Plastics is proud to present PureFit SC, an innovative connective technology that makes sterile connections possible outside of cleanroom environments. PureFit SC features a silicone valve design that is easy to assemble and leaves no gaps or residue. The product utilizes our patented PureFit SIB technology, ensuring a completely smooth inner bore flow path. Constructed of fully characterized animal-free materials, PureFit SC offers a triple redundant locking mechanism that simplifies validation and virtually eliminates chances of operator error. Sterilizable via gamma radiation or autoclaving, the product allows operators to make sterile connections for the transfer of fluids outside of the cleanroom environment. This is a major benefit because such space is often limited and costly. PureFit SC is available in 3 common sizes: 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch, all of which are completely interchangeable for step up or step down requirements. PureFit SC is made of 2 distinct components that connect together. The first component is the inner housing assembly. It consists of the protective cap, the valve retainer, the locking clip, the O-ring, the inner housing, the inner fitting, and the safety cap. The second component is the outer housing assembly. This features a safety cap, the outer housing, an O-ring, the valve retainer, the valve, and the protective cap. Before assembling PureFit SC, you must first assemble PureFit SIB. For instructions, please refer to the PureFit SIB section of this video. First, remove the inner and outer housing safety caps. Then attach the PureFit SC to the tubing using the PureFit SIB barbed ends and retainers. Pull up the tear tabs, then remove the protective caps. Insert the inner housing into the outer housing, making note of the lock size versus the slot size. You can now rotate the inner housing inside the outer housing to line up the locks. Insert the inner housing locks into the locking track window. Then rotate the inner housing clockwise until it locks. Next, depress the locking clip against the inner housing with your thumb. Now, push the inner fitting into the inner housing until it stops. Finally, grasp the end of the inner fitting and rotate it clockwise until it locks. Your sterile connection is now complete. It is ready for the transfer of fluids. For more information on PureFit SC or other products from Saint-Gobain Performance Plastics, call us at the following numbers. You may also visit our website at www.biofarm.san-gobain.com.